This is a weird question. Here we have an unknown number to power itself is equals to 2 to power 2048. To solve this, the very first thing you need to do is to rewrite this exponent. So this is also equals to 2 to power 2 multiply 1024. Now rewrite this exponent as a different base. So we are going to use this exponential rule, that is a to power m bracket power n is equals to a to power m multiply n. This is equals to 2 to power 2 bracket power 1024. 2 to power 2 equals to 4 to power 1024. Now the bases change from 2 to 4. Now you need to keep repeating this process and rewrite this exponent. So this is equals to 4 to power 2 multiply 512, which is equals to 16 to power 512. Now the bases change to 16. This is equals to 16 to power 2 to power 256. This is also equals to 256 to power 256. So here we found a number to power itself to satisfy this equation. So x equals to 256 is our answer.